What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. So this is a newly acquired 2023 Jeep Gladiator Mojave that I picked up probably about 2-3 weeks ago. As you can see, I changed out the wheels. If you guys have been following the channel, I actually had a 2020 Gladiator and I had these exact wheels on it. So basically I just swapped them out. I swapped out the wheels, which like I said I already had, and I swapped out the side steps again like I already had. So the only thing I didn't have is a spare tire. So I just got the spare tire, ordered it online, and I'm about to stick it under there. So as you know, these are 35. These are 35 by 12.5 by 20. Car's filthy. It's February 2nd. And there's a lot of salt on the road, so this is all like really dirty. And so the factory rims were 17 and the factory spare tire was a 17. So I picked up this tire and it's 35 by 10.5 by 17. So basically I swapped out the wheel. You can see the difference in width here. I didn't really care to go with the same width. I just want the same size just in case I need it. As you guys can see, that's a 12.5 and this is a 10.5. So now I'm going to actually install it on the bottom of the car. So from everything I read online, you know, and YouTube, it says we can fit a 35 under here, no problem. You know, one of the reasons I didn't want to go with a 12.5 is because I didn't want that poke underneath. And again, it's just a spare tire, so I just want to have the circumference of the 35. So let me stick the tire under there, crank it up, and then I'll be right back and we'll take a look at it and see how it fits. So as you guys can see, it's hanging under here right now. I don't see any issue with it actually fitting. There's plenty of room, so I'm going to raise it all the way up and then we'll take another look. So as you guys can see, it's completely up there. It's hard to see it, but there it is. It's completely up there. You still have about an inch and a quarter in the front, and let me see if I can get the back side. Same thing there. You got at least a good inch and a half away from that sway bar, and it fits in here really nice. Yeah, not a problem, guys. As you can see, you can fit a 35. Like I said, I didn't want to go with the 12.5 because it would have stuck out another 2 inches, and I don't think it's really necessary. It's obviously not necessary. It's just a spare tire. So that's it, guys. Like I said, this is my 2023 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Just picked it up. I'm loving it. If you guys are interested, I also have a Corvette. I've been doing some things on the Corvette. Been posting it on YouTube as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.